All right, Dr. C here. So far you've done liquids and then you found your density of your aluminum. So now we're up in the ante a little bit and you have to figure out an unknown. So we've got unknown A here. You have to figure out what this is, okay? So the procedure is gonna be the same. Got my piece of unknown, A, that I don't know what it is, and I'm gonna come over here and I'm going to weigh the mass of my unknown. So it's already zeroed out. So I can put my unknown directly on there. Make sure you write down your mass on your data sheet. Okay. So now you want to put like A there and B there or whatever. So same kind of setup. And so just like before, we're going to use our graduated cylinder and we're going to fill it up to 15 mils-ish, somewhere around there. Remember, you just need to have it filled up enough. So as long as it's over the height of what your sample is that you're gonna put in, that's all that really matters. So as long as it's taller than your sample, you're good. So now I'm just gonna tap it, make sure I'm happy with the air bubbles, I'm good. So now you need to record your volume. I'll put my hand behind it if that helps. All right, so now that you got that, now we're going to put our metal sample into here. And remember, you gotta be gentle. You don't wanna be splashing around. And this is why we give you guys plastic ones too. You kind of see? And I even like just dropped it in, but it didn't splash out because I'm good like that. All right, tap it a little bit, make sure we're good. No air bubbles, yep. So now you could get the volume with your sample in it. Put my hand behind that in case that helps a little bit. All right. So now you have the volume of it completely full with your sample in. You had the volume of it empty, so now you can figure out the volume of your unknown. You have the mass, you have the volume, so now you can calculate the density. And then that would be your measured value. Then you can go on to Miles Massey and find that chart again that you used earlier to figure out which metal you think this is on the chart. And then once you figure it out from the chart, then you want to go and you want to calculate your percent error. And make sure you write this all in your lab report. The percent error and what you think this guy is. All right, so once you do that, then you can try your second unknown sample.